Double your pleasure, double your fun.
That's a statement of a great mint in double mint gum. Double your sentiment, your merriment. Double your moment of fun. Double your delight mint with the right mint. For refreshment, it's the only one. Yeah. Double your pleasure, double your fun. That's a statement of a great mint.
All right, today we're going to be working on doubling, which is a strategy for multiplying times 2. So in life, you have your duos, where you have two great things that go really great together, right? Like peanut butter and jelly, or bacon and eggs. Doesn't have to be food, though. It can also be people, like Batman and Robin, or Mr. Boyd and Wonder Woman, right? But those are duos. Two different things that go great together. Today, we're going to be looking at doubles. So duos, when it comes to numbers, would be putting two different numbers together, like 2 plus 5. That equals 7. So I have two different numbers. That is a duo. Two numbers that are different working together to get a sum. A double, though, is when you have two of the same number. So instead of 2 plus 5, I would have 5 plus 5. I'm doubling 5. But with multiplying, instead of adding up the same number, 5 plus 5, I'm going to say it's 2 times 5. Because I have 5 2 times. Which, by the way, equals 10. So, let's look more at this practice of doubling using a reckon rec. So, doubling numbers. If I'm going to say I have 2 times 6, I'm saying that I have 6 2 times. So in the reckon rec, that would be 2 rows of 6. So here I have 6, and here I have 6. So essentially we're saying 6 plus 6. 6 plus one more group of 6. And that equals 12. So I can also show 2 times 6 by having 6 rows of 2. So I'm saying I have 2 6 times. But I still have 6 here and 6 here. So I'm still going to double 6 because I have 6 2 times. It's just shown in a different way. So even if I were to change the problem to 6 times 2 and represent it like I just did on the reckon rec, my answer is still 12. So what about 8 doubled? 2 times 8. Well, in the reckon rec, I have 2 rows of 8. So I have 8 here and 8 here. So 2 times 8 equals 8 twice, which is 16. And if I want to represent that another way, into having 8 rows of 2, it's still going to lead to the same product. It's just represented in a different way. I still have 8 here and 8 here. So I still have 8 2 times. So even 8 times 2 is going to equal the same product, 16. All right, so let's look at 2 times 3. So I'm saying I have 2 rows of 3, which is the same as saying I have 3 2 times. 3 here and 3 there. So 2 times 3 equals 3 plus 3, which is 6. And if I represent it in another way, which is to say 3 rows of 2, again, I still have 3 here and 3 there. So I still have 3 2 times. So even 2 times 3 is going to lead to the same product. 3 plus 3, which is 6. And if I were to do 2 times 9, again, I'm saying I have 2 rows of 9, which is the same as saying I have 9 2 times. 9 here, 9 there. So 2 times 9 equals 9 plus 9, which is 18. And if I represented it another way again, where I have 9 rows of 2, I'm still saying I have 9 2 times. 9 here and 9 there. It's just represented in another way. So even 9 times 2 is the same as 9 plus 9, which is going to lead to the same product, 18. So if I were to do 2 times 10, I'm saying I have 10 2 times, 2 rows of 10. I have 10 here and 10 there. That's 10 and 10. So 2 times 10 equals 10 plus 10, which is going to be 20. And if I represented that another way and do 10 times 2 instead, with 10 rows of 2, I still have 10 2 times. 10 here and 10 there. It's still 10 and 10. So 10 times 2 leads to the same product of 20. Keep practicing those double strategies. What's part of what makes multiplication fun?
The 2-step. 2 is very fast and fun. Quickly double, and you're done. What's that you say? Be more precise? Okay then, just add it twice.